My name is Jasmine. I'm a political science major and an international security and conflict resolution minor.
Hi everyone, I'm Meliana and I'm a political science major with a minor in Asian studies and a minor in interdisciplinary studies.
My experience with Indonesia was incredible. I first applied because I was really passionate about engaging in more human rights opportunities. The whole theme of the trip was access to justice, and we got to participate in a lot of community field work and excursions that were super impactful.
I feel like what it made me realize is even though we come from different backgrounds and stuff, I just went in and I went super open-minded. I want to learn, I want to understand people, I want to be able to learn about different communities.
Really become closely connected with the community there, I feel like was just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
We teach each other, but we're constantly learning from each other, and I think that's what was so beautiful about this program. It wasn't just like being with a bunch of random strangers, but it was actually building a family and creating something that was going to create change and being able to learn from all different cultures.
But it was really those students and those best friends that we made that I feel like I was really able to truly understand how justice is seen by the people in Indonesia, especially the youth. Anyone who's curious about the program, I strongly recommend just take the jump and apply.
And I think that doing something that's outside of your comfort zone is so important because you learn so much about yourself. And then you learn to trust yourself too. And then you're not only developing yourself, but you're also helping your community too. Change starts with recognizing the needs of our community first. So when you understand the needs of your community, you could also help people on a global scale as well.